Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A special welcome back to Cook and Share. Eggs, seemingly so easy to cook, but you know what? They're not. I used to make poached eggs all the time and had an awful time until I came up with this foolproof, simple, and easy method that I'm going to share with you. So let's get started. So I'm going to kick things off here by cracking 3 eggs into 3 separate bowls. Now it's best if you have really fresh eggs and you have them at room temperature. Next up, what I've got here is a fairly large pot with about 2 inches or 5 centimeters of water in it, and I brought this to a full-blown boil. Now I'm going to kill the heat, add the eggs in, and I'm going to take the bowl and just kind of dip it into the water, and I'm going to add them in a clockwise fashion, just so I know which one I've added or put in first. And we'll slip the lid back on here and set our timer for exactly 3 minutes. Now I should mention, guys, too, that people do different things. They put butter, they put vinegar in the water, they strain the eggs in a strainer. I find that makes a little bit of a difference, but you get minimal results. This is perfect and it's really easy. After about 3 minutes, remove the top and just look at those eggs. Now I'm going to take these out one by one using a slotted spoon and let them drain onto a plate lined with a paper towel. Alright, let's set these aside on a serving plate. Okay, like always, I'm going to season these up with some salt. And here we go, my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. Use the seasoning of your choice, paprika, garlic, whatever you like. And the great thing is you can use poached eggs for any application. You can use them over toast, over salad, over proteins, just fantastic. And there you have it, guys, our perfect poached eggs. Simple, easy, you have to try this. Okay guys, let's go ahead and cut into this and see what we've got. Look at that, nice and gooey, our perfect poached egg. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Oh, eggs, eggs. I love eggs. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And see you next time.